Steve here. Today, we're stopping the guessing game and diving into the basics of reading candlestick charts. When you look at a financial chart, you see red and green bars. These are called candlesticks. Now, don't let the name fool you. This isn't some fancy art project. This is actually a map of human emotion in the market. A green candle means buyers were in control during that period, pushing the price up. A red candle means the sellers took over and pushed the price down. Let's break down the two main parts of a candlestick, the body and the wicks. The thick part is the body. For a green candle, the bottom of the body is where the price started, the open, and the top is where it ended, the close. The length of the body equals strength. But look at those thin lines sticking out of the top and bottom. Those are the wicks. Think of a wick like a shadow. A wick shows you everywhere the price tried to go but got kicked out. If you see a long wick on the top of a candle, it means the buyers tried to push it high, but the sellers slammed the door in their face. Now let's apply this knowledge to a key reversal pattern on the /MES chart, the hammer. The hammer is a candle with a tiny body and a long tail. It looks just like a hammer tool. When you see that hammer pattern at the bottom of a move, it's a strong signal that the market hit a floor and bounced. This often means the smart money might be stepping in to buy. Since many of you are using thinkorswim, let's talk about a huge advantage of the platform. In 2026, the mobile app is just as powerful as the desktop experience. This creates a truly seamless trading environment. This is a big selling point for new traders. You can draw your trend lines on your PC and see them instantly synced on your phone. Trade with confidence, wherever you are. To wrap up our lesson on candlestick basics and the hammer pattern, remember the key concepts: body equals strength and wick equals rejection. Look for the hammer to spot a potential market bounce. Now open your charts and start practicing these concepts. The more you look, the faster you'll learn.